Dasara. Dasara means celebration for victory. Golu means keeping the idols in the steps. We are kept 5 steps. Park, shops, shops, airport. Don't use China products. We are kept 5 steps. Permalan Tayar, Karasam, Chakratalwar, Attivaradan, Hayagrivan, Andal, Dasavataram, Astalakshmi, Ramar said about Narasimha Avataram. Uppiliyappan, Saraswati, Lakshmi and Durga, and marriage set. Please come and visit our Golu. Thank you. I'm Gokul from grade B. This is my Golu. Happy Navaratri. Navaratri is festival of 9 nights. We are for Devi, Saraswati, Lakshmi and Durga in Navaratri. I am going to tell about 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Balarama, Krishna, Kalki.
Hi friends! Happy Navaratri to all! Today I am going to talk about the Dasavataram of Lord Vishnu. There are 10 avatars. Matsya avatar. Matsya avatar. The demons planned to destroy the universe with a great flood. So Vishnu took the form of a fish to save a man called Vaishvata in order to preserve the human race. Kurma avatar. Many precious things fell down in the flood, including the pot which contained the nectar of immortality. So Vishnu took the form of a tortoise to help them churn the sea to obtain the nectar of immortality. Varaha avatar. Now the earth was in danger of drowning. So Lord Vishnu took the form of a boar and lifted the earth out. Narasimha avatar. The Narasimha avatar, the demon called Hiranyakashipu, the boon, he can neither day nor night, neither inside nor outside, neither man nor animal, and neither earth nor sky. So Vishnu took the form of a half man and half lion and killed him. Vamana avatar. Lord Vishnu took the form of a god called Vamana. He asked the king Bali for 3 footsteps of land. He agreed and Lord Vishnu grew big. Then he put his first step on the earth. Then he put his second step on the universe. And in Nolan to keep his third step, King Bali offered him his head. And killed Bali. Parashurama avatar. Lord Vishnu came in the form of Parashurama with an axe in hand and killed all the Kshatriyas who are bad. Rama avatar. Lord Vishnu took the form of Rama to kill the demon king Ravana. Balarama avatar. Balarama supported Krishna and held the ring justice. Krishna avatar. Lord Vishnu took the form of Krishna to help kill the demon king Kamsa. He also helped the Pandavas to defeat the Kauravas. He also offered us the Bhagavad Gita, the way of life. Kalki avatar. Lord Vishnu will take Kalki avatar in the world swan end. Riding a white horse and carrying a fiery sword. Now I am taking you to my Guru, which revolves around the concept of nature. So, we as a human race, we must be together with the nature. But we are destroying it by poaching animals, deforestation, and polluting the environment. So, please stop poaching animals to balance the food chain and ecosystem. Please stop deforestation so that everyone gets food and oxygen. We must also conserve water and use public transport like buses and trains. If we do not conserve our nature, our world will come to an end and will force Lord Vishnu to take Kalki avatar early. As per the Puranas, Lord Vishnu will take Kalki avatar after 4 lakh years. So if we don't conserve our nature, then diseases like corona will spread and we will force Kalki avatar to happen early. So, please conserve our nature and together we'll make our earth a bright place for us to live and our future generations too. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Meharashni. Today I'm going to sing songs. Sadguru Nadani Va Va Va, Satchidanandani Va Va Va, Sarvadayalani Va Va Va, Shankara Kripakara Va Va Va, Ananda Keshava Muralidhara, Meera Prabhu Radheshama Venugopala, Nanda Yashoda, Ananda Kishore. गोकुल बाला जय वेणुगोपाल एकदन्तं विनायकं विघ्नहरं भज गजाननम् एकदन्तं उमास्तुतं विघ्नहरं भज गजाननं मूषिकवाहन गजाननं मोदकहस्ता गजाननं चामरगर्ण गजाननं विलम्बितसूत्रा गजाननं वामनरूप गजाननं महेश्वरपुत्र गजाननं विघ्नविनायक गजाननं पादनमस्ते गजाननं एकदन्तं विनायकं विघ्नहरं भज गजाननम्. Thank you.
Madhvati were a couple who lived happily in the village, but they didn't have any children. So, Mrikandu decided to do a tavam. The tavam lasted for about 29 days, and Lord Shiva was watching all this. He was very impressed. So, when he appeared in front of Mrikandu, he asked him what he wanted. And Mrikandu said that he wanted children because he didn't have any. Lord Shiva was very impressed, so he gave him two options. He could either have one child, which would last for 16 years and was very obedient and intelligent and kind to everyone, or he could have how many ever children that they wanted, but the children would be very mean and they wouldn't listen to their parents and they were not intelligent. Mrikandu chose that he wanted one child who could live for 16 years and was very kind to others. Lord Shiva was impressed. So, Markandeya was born after some days. Markandeya was loved by everybody in the village and everybody was treated respectfully by Markandeya. But as he grew older, his parents started to worry because Markandeya could only live for 16 years. Markandeya saw the look on his parents' face. So, he asked his parents what was wrong. His parents explained to him what was going to happen at his 16th birthday and he was very upset. But he decided to do a tavam asking for more ages to live. His parents accepted without any hesitation because it was his wish. When he started doing the tavam, he was very dedicated to it. He didn't eat, he didn't drink water, he was very dedicated. Lord Shiva was watching all this. At his 16th birthday, Yamadharman decided to bring him up. That was his lifespan was over. So he sent his two workers to bring Markandeya back. But when they two went down to bring Markandeya. Markandeya hid behind the Shivan statue, and it was very powerful that the two workers could not go near. So they went to Yamadharman, and Yamadharman himself could not even enter the boy. So he decided to go and ask Shiva that he was the one who told him that was his lifespan. Lord Shiva was very impressed, and he decided to come down himself. Lord Shiva was observing all this and asked Markandeya what he wanted as wish. Markandeya explained the whole story and told him on how he was doing a tavam. Lord Shiva was very impressed and asked him what he wanted, and Markandeya said that he wanted a long lifespan. Lord Shiva was very impressed, so he couldn't say no. And that is the end of the story. Markandeya lived young and for many years. அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி அம்மா 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 சிம்மவாகினி ஸ்ரீலலிதே பவானி சிம்மவாகினி ஸ்ரீலலிதே பவானி நம்பினோரை காக்கும் செம்மலர்வதனி நம்பினோரை காக்கும் செம்மலர்வதனி அம்மா 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 எனக்கு பயமருள்வாய் அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி அம்மா 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 மங்களரூபிணி மதுரை நிவாசி திங்களை சூடிடும் தேவி ஸ்ரீ காமாட்சி மங்களரூபிணி மதுரை வாசி திங்களை சூடிடும் தேவி ஸ்ரீ காமாட்சி கங்கை நதி கரை காசி விசாலாட்சி கங்கை நதி கரை காசி விசாலாட்சி இங்கு இரகனோடு எனக்கு கொடு காட்சி இங்கு இரகனோடு எனக்கு கொடு காட்சி அம்மா 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 எனக்கு பயமருள்வாய் அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி அம்மா 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 ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುದ ಗೆಜ್ಜ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾರುತ ಸಚನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆಯ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹೊಲವೆನ ಬೆನ್ನಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಕನಕವೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಮನಕಾಮನೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯ ತೋರೆ ದಿನಕರ ಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜತಿ ಹೊಲವ ಜನಕರಾಯನ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಬೇಗ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಅತ್ತಿತ್ತಗಲದ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ನಿತ್ಯ ಸುಮಂಗಲ ಸತ್ಯವ ತೋತುವ ಸಾಧು ಸಜ್ಜನರ ಸಿದ್ಧತಿ ಹೊಲವೆ ಮುಟ್ಟತಿ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಂಕಣ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತ ಬಾರೆ ಕುಂಕುಮಾಗಿದೆ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚನ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣ ವೆಂಕಟರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರ ತುಪ್ಪವ ಕಾಲು ಬೆಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಲಗಿ ನಿರಂತರ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ
ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧಿರಿಗಿಡ ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ತದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಕ ತದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ದೀಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತಗ ದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿದ ದಿಮಿದ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧಿರಿಗಿಡ ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ತದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ದೀಂ
ತಟವಣ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಸಕಲ ಸುರಾಸುರ ಸಣ್ಣುತ ಪಾದಾಂ ಕಿಂಕಿಣಿ ಜಂ ಜಂ ಜನ 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 ನೂಪುರಲಯ ಗತಿ ಗಣ 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 ವಿಧಿ ಹರಿ ಸೇವಿತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಕುಡ ತಕ ತಾಂ ತಕ್ಕ
ತಡವನ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಸಕಲ ಸುರಾಸುರ ಸನ್ನುತ ಪಾದ ಕಿಂಕಿಣಿ ಜಂ ಜಂ ಜನ 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 ನೂಪುರಲಯ ಗತಿ ಗಣ 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 ವಿಧಿ ಹರಿ ಸೇವಿತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಗುದರೆ ಗಿಡ ತಗದಂ ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ
ತಟವನ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಸಕಲ ಸುರಾಸುರ ಸನ್ನುತ ಪಾದಾಂ ಕಿಂಕಿಣಿ ಜಂ ಜಂ ಜನ 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 ನೂಪುರಲಯ ಗತಿ ಗಣ 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 ವಿಧಿ ಹರಿ ಸೇವಿತ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಕ ತರಿಕಟ ತಕ ತಾಂ ತಕ್ಕ
ತಡವನ ಮುನಿಜನ ಸಕಲ ಸುರಾಸುರ ಸನ್ನುತ ಪಾದ ಕಿಂಕಿಣಿ ಝಂ ಝಂ ಜನ 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 ನೂಪುರಲಯ ಗತಿ ಗಣ 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 ವಿಧಿ ಹರಿ ಸೇವಿದ ತಕ್ಕುಡು ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ತಗುದರೆ ಗಿಡ ತಗದಂ ತಕ್ಕ
ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ತರಿಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ತಾಂಡವಿದಂಬ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ದಿರಿಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಚರ್ಮಧರ ತುಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ತೋಣ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಧರ ನಂ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ನಂದಿವಾಕಣ
ತಕ್ಕಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ಧರಿ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ತಾಂಡವಿ ಚಂಬರ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ಧಿರಿ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಚರ್ಮಧರ ತುಂ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ತುಂ ನಂ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಧರ ನಂ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ನನ ಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತಗಿ ನಂದಿವಾಕಣ
ನಾದ ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಜಗನಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ಜಗನಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟಕ ತತ್ತಕ ದಿಂ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಜಗ ಜಗ ಸಶಿರ ವಿಭೂಷಣ
ರೂಪ ಭಯಂಕರ ಡಮರುಗಹಸ್ತ ತೃತೀಯ